Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a Glossybox limited edition Black Friday beauty box, and this is what it looks like. It goes on sale for subscribers at midnight on the 29th of November, and then it goes on sale for non-subscribers at 7 AM on the 29th. It costs £10 a box plus shipping costs as well. Now the beauty box is £3.25. I can't find any information about that, so I'm assuming it's the same sort of cost as a monthly beauty box. Now also on the 29th, they have got mystery boxes up for grabs. They will be released on the Glossybox website at 7 AM for subscribers and 12 PM for non-subscribers. There's no details about it that I've been sent, but they are a mystery. So if you're interested in taking a look, then make sure you go onto the Glossybox website on Friday. And to top it off, they've got a discount code which will enable you to have your first Glossybox subscription box for half price. So normally it costs you £10. This code will entitle you to get it for £5. So all links, all codes, everything I can find, all deals and all that, I will pop down in my description. So underneath this video, see show more, you click that, that'll bring up the description and all details will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and show you what is inside. So as with a monthly box, we get a little leaflet, and here it tells you everything about the product, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. And this is what it looks like. Now I've had a sneak peek already. I don't with the subscription boxes, I like them to be a surprise, so I unbox it as a surprise with you. But no, things like this, I like to open it up because I know there's so much stuff inside. So first we see a mask. If I take that off and something else, you can have an idea of the items that are in there. Now I know from last year this box sold out super fast, so if it takes your fancy, make sure you are online. If you're a subscriber, midnight. If you're a non-subscriber, hopefully that there'll be some left and you're able to get it the following morning. So the first item is a sheet mask by Vitamasks, and this is a diamond gold mask. Made with real gold dust, diamond and pearl extract, a luxurious moisturising Korean face mask made with gold dust, diamond powder and pearl extract to brighten your skin. And the recommended retail price of this is £5.99. So that's the first item. Next we got a product by Carmex, and this is a natural moisture plus hydrating lip tint. So it smooths the lips, locks in moisture with sheer tint and antioxidant rich, and it's a pouty pink sheer tint. So it looks like there. I'll get that out and show you now. And the recommended retail value for this is £4.99. Yeah, that's lovely. There you can just see there. So that's number 2. The next is a product by Super Duper. I keep saying that wrong. It's a Super Light Marvellous Magic Moisture Hand Cream, and we've got 100 ml here with fruit soothers, coconut water and QI oil. QI oil? I've never heard of that. So it looks like there. Let me try a little bit. And I've tried a few products from this range, like body butters and things, and they're lovely. And yeah, it makes me think of grass. That's what it smells like. It's not horrible. It just makes me think of grass, and it always does. It always does whenever I've had this sort of range. But no, it's nice. It's just nice and fresh, really nice and fresh. And I'm not sure if I said to you, but this is worth £6.50. So there's number 3. Next we've got something which I absolutely love. Imperial Lever Foam Burst. Bursting with fragrance. It's a pampering luxury gel to foam body wash with lychee and lotus flower. And this is 75 ml here. I absolutely adore the shower gels. They are gorgeous. You just need a tiny bit, just a little squirt and a load comes out, but they're so gorgeous. There's a few different brands that do them, but this is a mini and this will cost you £2. So there's number 4. Next we've got a product by Naughty, and this is a 97% natural intensive care leave-in conditioner for frizzy and damaged hair with sweet almond and argan oil. This is cruelty free and vegan, and we've got 50 ml here. And that is worth £2.59, and you can get bigger size versions in this range as well. Is that number 5? Next we've got a product by Mystic Black, and this is a Novex, and this is a hair mask. We've got 100 grams here, and this free from parabens, petroleum, silicones and sulfate, and it's baobab oil and ideal for all hair types that suffer from dryness. So this looks like there. And this is a deluxe mini, and it will cost you £2.20. So there's that. Next we've got a translucent powder by Effect, and this is a rice powder with a matte effect. And does it say how big it is here? 10 grams. So it looks like this, so a full size. It says combine a mica and rice starch. The setting powder will give your makeup a professional looking matte finish. After applying a base layer of foundation and concealer, use a large fluffy brush to buff the powder all over your face. This will fill out any creases and create a smooth, long lasting look. And the recommended retail price for this is £9.40. So there's that. Next we've got a beauty blending sponge, and this is by Unicorn Cosmetics, and it's called their Beauty Egg. You can see in there. Cute packaging, really cute packaging, and this will cost you £4.99. So there's that. Next we've got a lipstick by Lacquer & Co, and this is shade, what does it say here? Storm, and this will cost you £14.99. Ooh, and this is dark. Oh dear, this is quite dark. Whoa, that looks like a really dark berry, but hopefully it'd be quite nah, it's not too bad. It is a darker shade. Oh my gosh, that feels amazing on my skin. That feels so lovely, nice and creamy. It's not as dark, look. It's not as dark as what I thought, but that would be a gorgeous shade to wear with quite minimal sort of eyeshadow. I do really like that. I was expecting it to be a bit darker, but no, quite happy that it's that sort of tone. The recommended retail price for this is £14 and it's full size. And the last item in the box, unfortunately, is broken and it is completely smashed. It's a MUA Makeup Academy and it's a bronzer, and the recommended retail price for this is £4. But yeah, it must have just got broken in transit, so unfortunately it's broken. But yeah, it looks really pretty. But it's a Bronze Perfection Shimmer Talc-Free Bronzer, and it just says dust all over your face and body for Bronze Perfection, adds warmth and a soft natural glow. Now, did someone say to me before that you can rectify things like this by mixing it with, is it coconut oil? Did I dream that? I'm not too sure. So those are all the products, 10 items in all. The box costs £10 and I think it contains a great mix of products there, really great. So a few items I'm going to keep for myself, and a few I know, like the beauty blending sponge for instance, I'm going to give to my daughter because she wants one, so it'll be like a stocking filler type thing. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed with it. So thank you to Glossybox for sending it to me. If I didn't say anything at the start, oh my gosh, I normally do say right at the start so that you are aware that I am on Glossybox's PR list. So any sort of new limited edition boxes or anything like that, they send them to me so I can show you and tell you all about it on my channel. But all my thoughts and opinions remain my own. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.